Is it filming? Okay. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Silva City. Today we are doing a fried chicken mukbang. I usually see a lot of people on YouTube doing this cheese with fried chicken, man, and it looks delicious. So today, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I got my nacho cheese right here, and I got my fried chicken from Safeway. Now, if you have a Safeway in your state, if you don't, you're out of luck, because on Fridays they have $5 Fridays. I just got an 8-piece for $5. At KFC, it's like $20 for an 8-piece with no sides, nothing. So we got a good deal, and we have Stephanie again today, the quiet one. But let's hopefully she talks more today. But let's get into this fried chicken. But I just want you guys to see the, it's good fried chicken right here. It's not bad.
There's already two pieces eaten, you guys. So
yeah, I was hungry. I ate one on the way here.
There's 6 pieces left.
But yeah, we're gonna indulge in this fried chicken real quick, and
you thought you fake.
We hope you guys enjoy this meal with us as we eat.
He burnt the cheese too, by the way. It's all burnt on the edge.
Yeah, it's all right though. It's just the top. So I'm gonna get this cheese and chicken going right here. Hey. Look at that. She doesn't want to try it, but I'm gonna do it first. It's my first time ever trying cheese and chicken together. Here we go. I got the Tabasco too. I love Tabasco sauce. Gotta have Tabasco with fried chicken. But yeah, look, here we go. Mmm. Oh, it's hot. Well, it's not that bad. You gonna try it? No? Still have some jalapenos up here too. Somebody directing behind the camera, but she doesn't want to get on film. It's her sister. Say hi from over there, Jess. They can't see you.
She's over there like.
It's good though.
We took Lola today to get her shots, so she has 3 sets of shots now. So she's almost ready to get puppy training.
Almost. Y'all see that? It's good. I mean, I wouldn't do this a lot, but it's okay. That skin and cheese was a good bite though. Getting some skin stuck in my throat. Thanks. Alright.
You guys, hold on. You gotta hear it.
I don't think it's in front of the camera.
I just wanted them to hear it.
Oh, okay.
How crunchy it was.
So I just wrapped that in cheese. I'm gonna throw the Tabasco on there. That's gonna probably be blowing up the bathroom later, but it's gonna be delicious.
What's
Tabasco
delicious?
on deck.
That or your bathroom explosion?
The chicken. Why would my feces be delicious?
Not your feces being delicious.
Tabasco and cheese, y'all. Check it out.
OMG.
That was a good bite.
It's honestly better than Popeyes and KFC. Especially for $5.
For $5, it's better than both. But it's not better than Popeyes. Depends on a person's taste in chicken.
I will say that on one of the fried pieces that I did eat, it tasted like a straight pork rind.
Is
So
there
it's kinda-
cheese all over my face?
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's kind of like best of both worlds.
What?
one of the pieces that I ate tasted like pork rind. Remember?
That was a good bite. Yes, it is Easter Sunday though, you guys. I hope everybody's doing something fun, barbecuing, spending time with family.
It's not Easter Sunday.
I mean Easter weekend. But this Sunday is Easter Sunday, so yes, technically it's gonna be Easter Sunday.
One bite.
Come on, Jess, just one bite.
You can come have a bite.
Come on,
No,
get on
don't
camera.
pause it. Just come. You're gonna have to be quicker than that.
Here you go, Jess. We're not greedy. We give to the needy.
We're all just smacking on this chicken and my poor sister.
She's like
And behind the camera
drooling.
just looks like a sad puppy dog.
She's like, what about me, guys? Still a lot of meat on this chicken. Are we gonna play Uno after this?
Yeah.
We still got one more round to go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jessica got 2. I got 2. You got 1.
Don't worry though. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna redeem myself.
Uno was never this fun as a kid because we had video games. Video games are still dope though, but for some reason it's fun.
We've been playing Uno like every night. My sister is like, "Who wants to get beat?"
Yeah, if it wasn't for her sister, I wouldn't have found out how fun Uno was again. It's pretty fun. And this one turns into a whole different person right here. Like,
No.
I don't even recognize her when we're playing. I'm like, who the hell are you? Turns
Ain't
into
that
a
the
straight
truth?
schmuck.
A
But
schmuck.
it's funny though, not in a bad way, but just hilarious. So the skin, y'all, the best part.
Careful, you almost hit my plate.
My bad. Woo! I'm getting full. And there's no more chicken. Dip it in cheese real quick. You want to try it in cheese if you had chicken and cheese? Try a little piece. Tell me what you think.
I don't think I can. I better.
Thank you for being open, Jessica, unlike your sister. You know how many times I've told this woman to try something? She's like, no. 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 And then when she tries it like 5 years later, she's like, oh my gosh. How have I been living like this?
It's not that bad.
Sorry, right?
This piece is tasting just like a chicken pork rind. So good.
I'm full, y'all. I'm gonna lie. I'm done. But it's cheese off my face. Thank you guys for tuning in on this episode of Silva City, episode of Fried Chicken and Cheese Mukbang. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. God bless. Say bye, Steph. And we out. Peace.